Guys, it's Brian Copeland. Thank you for agreeing to help people share this Code of Ethics banner and celebrate 100 years. Keep in mind, you're going to need to have a full-blown version of Photoshop to use this. This is more advanced operation. I'm trying to boil it down as simple as possible for you on Photoshop. So I'm going to share my screen here with you. The way we start is obviously you will need to have the template, which you've now downloaded. You'll see here in the template, here in your Photoshop area over here, all these hidden layers. So you can choose the quote that you want based off of what you're hiding, and you just hide right here. I'm using an older version of Photoshop, so it changes from version to version. Okay, so you just hide and show. So now we have the area for the photo here in between the two lines. As you can see, I've got two layers here, and the photo goes in between those two layers. So we go to our photo. We're using Miss Bobby Howe from St. Joseph, Missouri. And we want to change the size of the photo, so image size. Usually the template's around 300 and something high. I put about 350 just to be safe. That resizes it. Now we'll take the photo and drag it over. As you can see, it landed right in between. Sometimes it'll land up here. All you do is click on it and drag it down in between the two layers. Okay? And now I just want to center it right there in between the two lines. Now I have the photo done. Let's not cut her head off there. All right. Now let's fill in her name. You see the text area here. Click the text area. Move your cursor here after is. Type in the name, Bobby Howe, period. Now that's there. And then say she wants the golden rule quote. It's there now. We hit File, Save As. We want to change it obviously to a JPEG file. Put her name in here. And then save. And we've now got the Code of Ethics file for Bobby. Now, a few issues here. Let's say Bobby's name, say we're doing Elizabeth Mendenhall's instead of Bobby. Elizabeth Mendenhall is way too long. It does not fit. So what you can do here is obviously change your font size. Try 28, still doesn't fit. 27, 26, 25, 24. 24 is our winner. So now that fits. It's okay to play with the size. Let's make sure when we're doing this so it keeps the campaign consistent and we're using the fonts, the placement correctly and everything so it's consistent across the board. And remember, we can just hide and place some more Code of Ethics things in here. If someone has something they want to put in instead, again, all you have to do is the same way as when we change the name. Just highlight and then change it right here. That's the way that works. So that's how we do the Code of Ethics banners in Photoshop. Enjoy making them, and thanks so much for your time.